This is Brief Briefing. Someone flipped an Ethereum token for 100,000% price gains in just 3 days. The flip was done on Hashmask. It is a digital art collection of over 16,000 unique digital portraits created by over 70 artists from around the world. By holding Hashmask artwork, users accumulate NCT. The piece of the digital artwork was the first out of a 16,000 strong collection of Hashmask, which are still being sold, and was bought for 0.1 ETH, a mere $130, January 28. It was in the first trenches of the sale, with each trench increasing in price as seen in the image below. A few days later, the product was listed by an unnamed artist with the pseudonym 874C44 for as much as 125 Ethereum. The valuation proved to be a little too pricey, but when the seller shaved about 30 Ethereum off the asking price, he found a buyer. Wisco bill for a total of 97 Ethereum, worth $130,000 at the time of recording. Here is the collectible that was sold. That is one lovely looking NFT. Here we are at the hashmask.com. Seems like they're all sold out. And here is a diagram of Hashmask tokenomics. Bitcoin billionaire Cameron Winklevoss says gold could be the next GameStop. Silver Squeeze has a nice ring to it. Could a gold grab be next? Don't forget, like, subscribe. Last week, in an unprecedented stock market coup, members of Reddit group Wall Street Bets conspired to bet hedge funders at their own short squeeze game, driving up GameStop shares more than 200%. Now, some of the same Reddit investors are buying shares of silver mining companies, driving the silver price up by 11% to $30 a share as of Monday morning, the highest it's been since 2013. If Redditors pull off a silver squeeze, there's speculation as to what markets could be next. Bitcoin investor and entrepreneur Cameron Winklevoss, who rose to fame with his twin brother Tyler Winklevoss when they won $65 million in a lawsuit against their Harvard classmate Mark Zuckerberg, claiming he stole their idea for Facebook, took to Twitter on January 31st to contemplate the implications. The ramifications of a silver squeeze cannot be underestimated. If it is exposed that there are more paper claims on silver than actual silver, not only would payoff be enormous, but gold would be next. Bitcoin fixes this. Cameron continues, if silver markets is proven to be fraudulent, you better believe gold markets will be next. Huge implications, especially for countries that have de-dollarized and central banks with large gold holdings. The hashtag silver squeeze is going to tell us just how cussword the silver and precious metals markets are. Investing in gold shares has traditionally been considered a safe hedge against this market's volatility. The US has the largest gold reserves in the world, but if the current record high price of gold were to suffer a short squeeze, that would indeed have a massive effect on global markets. Cardano jumps 20% in a green day. Investing.com brings this to you. Cardano was trading at around 41 cents at 1700 hours on the investing.com index Monday, up 20%. The move upwards pushed Cardano's market cap up to around 12 billion or 1.24% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, Cardano's market cap was 23 billion. Cardano had traded in a range of 33 cents to 41 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Cardano has seen a rise in value as it gained 16.5%. The volume of Cardano traded in the 24 hours to the time of writing was 3.07 billion or 1.97 of total volume of all cryptocurrencies traded. Rockstar and Kiss bassist Gene Simmons tells fans he bought Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In September 2020, the frontman for the rock band Kiss, Gene Simmons, tweeted a cryptic message about Bitcoin with one of the co-founders of the Gemini crypto exchange. Then on Sunday, the Kiss singer tweeted to his 900K Twitter followers that he bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others. The bassist and co-lead singer of the classic rock band Kiss discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter on Sunday, after a few months ago when he tweeted about the subject with Cameron Winklevoss last September. His tweet at the time simply said, "I will and am," in response to a Twitter discussion about the leading cryptocurrency. His message was, "I am not recommending any of this to anyone," Simon tweeted. "But yes, I bought or will own Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and others." The Kiss bassist may have been referring to his cryptic tweet of September 15, 2020. Bitcoin outflows extremely bullish sign, according to CryptoQuant CEO. King Yong-ju says massive Coinbase outflows 15K. Looking at the TX, it went to custody wallets that only have ingoing transaction. It is likely to be OTC deals from institutional investors. I believe this is the strongest bullish signal crypto moving out of exchanges. Introduction to Phi Protocol, brought to you by the Block Crypto, likely a paid article since it is behind a paywall. Phi Protocol acts as an algorithm pseudo-central bank that issues the FEI stablecoin. Crypto asset collaterals that back the stablecoin are controlled by the protocol and are deployed to Uniswap as liquidity. The algorithm penalizing selling and incentivizes buying activities on Uniswap when FEI is trading below the $1 peg. We have recently looked into the current landscape of stablecoins. The number of different attempts of building algorithmic stablecoins that are decentralized and under-collateralized has increased. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Is it really that important? Gene Simmons, a rock star from 1,000 years ago, has bought Bitcoin. Do you think the Winklevoss is correct again, since he has been correct several times about the market? Do you think that the large amount of cryptocurrency leaving centralized exchanges is a sign of something to come? Have a good one.